Greetings, everyone. My name is MAP Eziokubundo 1. Please, I want you to pay attention and listen attentively. Above all, share this video as many as you can so that it will reach everyone. Please, it's very important. Now, it is now crystal clear that Chike Doziem-led group is fighting to destroy IPOB and destroy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And it's now crystal clear to everyone that Nigeria government, who spend millions of dollars and billions of naira to kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and bring him back to Nigeria, did not stop there. That they paid a lot of people, most especially those that call themselves IPOB leaders, which was expelled or dissolved by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The DOS led by Chike Doziem, former DOS led by Chike Doziem. These people are now fully recruited to work for Nigeria government. They are the agent of Nigeria government. They are the one Nigeria government is using currently, trying to destroy IPOB. And I will give you the evidences. The first question you will ask them is this: if they are the one trying to protect IPOB, why are they calling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist, a berima, and leveling all manner of allegations against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Now ask them, if they level all these allegations against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how can they exonerate IPOB, which they are claiming that they are protecting? How can they exonerate IPOB from the activities of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of IPOB, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the person that created Eastern Security Network. So ask them, how can they differentiate the actions and the activities of IPOB from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What was the reason Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped? At this point, you will see them becoming dumbfounded. Now, that is number one. Now, I want to give you out two of their strategies, what they want you to do so that they will get IPOB destroyed and get Mazi Nnamdi Kanu destroyed. They want to make sure that there is a very huge confusion in your head, and they will corrupt your mind in order to instigate you against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They will tarnish the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before you by telling you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu embezzled the IPOB money. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu simply did that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu simply do this. Ask them simple question. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu squandered IPOB money, and them who call themselves DOS members or some of them led by Chike Doziem come out and tell you that they are the one running the day-to-day activities of IPOB, ask them, how are they running it? With which fund? And how do they fund that day-to-day activities? Since they say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one who squandered IPOB money. When you ask them this question, then you will see them becoming dumbfounded. Now, back to what I'm saying. They want to bring confusion in your head. They want to frustrate you. They want to put that hatred in your mind against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that out of anger you say, oh, I don't know where the struggle is going again. I don't know if to follow the expelled DOS members or to follow the IPOB DOS members under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Once you start arguing with yourself, it's okay. What you will do now is let me go inside and relax. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come, I continue. The moment you take that decision, it is a win-win for the Nigerian government and their agent called China Sanwo and the rest, because they want you to step aside so that they will see free chance to destroy IPOB. So you must not give them that very chance. That is number one. Then number two, they will threaten you with suspension memo or expulsion memo. Let me tell you, Chike Doziem-led group cannot expel anyone. You know why? They are no longer members of IPOB. The moment the third administration of DOS was dissolved, Chike Doziem and his cohort lost every power to suspend or appoint or do anything or to even act on behalf of IPOB, because their offices have been dissolved. Not only that they were dissolved, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu expelled them. In other words, they are no longer members of IPOB. A non-member cannot be writing a suspension memo to anyone. If they do it, it is impersonating, and you can sue them to any court, which the letter that will back that you suing will come from Mazi Nnamdi. So feel free to start IPOB. Don't allow them to cajole you to bow to them. Now, I had some information that most of the national coordinators they brought them over to them with a huge amount with the unit coordinators. So those coordinators and the national coordinators will like to come and intimidate you, threatening you, telling you will remove you from group. Please, you don't even need to be with such any national coordinator that is loyal to Chike Doziem group. You as a Biafran and IPOB don't need to be in the same group with that very national coordinator or unit coordinator. What you need to do is, for you people, those who are loyal to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you don't need to argue with them. Gather yourself, regroup yourself, open your own group chat, and stay there. Organize a venue where you start your own meeting. Then, the moment you organize yourselves and start your own meeting, reach out to IPOB DOS, led by Chris Nwog. If you don't have their contact, the easiest way to reach out to them or to get a contact of the person who is in charge of that very country where you are, just contact MAP, Mazi, me, myself, or you contact Darlington, Osoji, or you contact Mazi Metusela, Wane Mekiselek, or you contact Face of Biafra, that is Ejiro, or you contact Fearless Achalugo, or you contact Wanda Ifi, or Pastor Meka Livingstone, or any, all of us, we are many. Contact us, then we will not give you the number of the national coordinator in that your country who are loyal to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or the unit coordinator, or the continental reps, the people that will give you the proper guideline for you not to be misled, so that you will not follow these people to fall because they are on a free fall. They are already in a potapoto. Don't allow them to draw you to go down with them, because they know they are going down. They are done already. So they want to draw you. So this is the time for you to rise up, to show Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that yes, you can actually protect IPOB on his behalf. That you cannot allow IPOB to be destroyed or crippled by expelled, incompetent, failed coup plotters. So this is the time for you to show Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, yes, you cannot betray him, that you cannot fail him. Remember his words in 2015. He said that I, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, will not fail you, but you will be the one to fail me. The time for you to prove Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that you, as a freedom fighter, you as an IPOB member cannot fail him is now, by standing tall. Even if you are the only one in that group that are loyal to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, exit the group, begin your own meeting. Others will join you. IPOB leadership, the Directorate of State, will send you a letter that will cover you in any country where you are. And only you will recover IPOB materials in that those people are holding. It's not matter of majority or multitude. It's matter of being original and authentic. Because the letter that shows that Chike Doziem-led group have been expelled, sacked from IPOB, is everywhere, and every government will acknowledge it. So this is time for you to rise up. Organize yourself. Start IPOB meeting wherever you are. Don't allow this bunch of failed coup plotters, incompetent failures to destroy you or to destroy IPOB. It's now obvious that they are the Nigerian agent. That is why you can see Chukwuko Febu Udele and Emmanuel Egwatu, which you people call you Ikenga. You see how all of them are ganging up against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is just to destroy IPOB, and you must not allow that. That is why we need to rise up now. Start your meeting. We will give you the direction. Don't say you are not informed, because information is power. I have done my part. It's now left for you to do your part. Contact any of us. We will give you the direction. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos. Almost here Biafra. Almost here Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. IPOB, one family.